All right, guys, today was fine. It was.
Yeah. It wasn't yesterday.
It's okay.
But it's not
It's
tomorrow.
good.
Yeah, exactly.
Middle day.
Right in the middle there. Not as much consistent sun, but we did see some in the low 50s right now, 40s in a couple of spots out towards Rockland, for example, 46 in Rangeley. In and out of the cloud cover today, mostly clear right now, and temperatures tonight will drop down a little bit compared to what we had last evening. So we'll be in the upper 30s or so along the coastline, just about freezing inland, and then some spots will be below freezing from Rangeley to Berlin down to about Freiburg in the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. Tomorrow morning we cloud up pretty quickly. Maybe some early sunshine, but I don't think there's a ton of that going around here. We end up cloudy through the mid-morning. And then isolated shower over western Maine. I think the vast majority of the state, though, stays dry during the daylight hours tomorrow. Not a particularly nice day, as it is mostly cloudy here, but temperatures are in the upper 40s and low 50s. The real rain, though, moves in on Thursday night, and it does that from southwest to northeast. Some heavy downpours. This is midnight as the rain gets into the mid-coast. The heaviest stuff, though, into the early morning hours on Friday. This is 4 o'clock and really coming down into down east Maine with some gusty winds. Temperatures, by the way, probably pop to about 60 during this time period, so it will be mild. I'm not sure that that's what you'll notice about it. It will be rainy and windy and mild. And by about midday, that rain is mostly into Aroostook County, so we get a period of clearing over southern Maine. It is still windy, and it will be that through trick-or-treating and anything you're doing overnight, but I do think it'll clear out for most of us in time for all that. Saturday is a cold-looking day. Temperatures in the upper 40s, around 50, strong west winds, snow showers in the mountains, all that. It looks very, very November-y there for sure. Rainfall amounts about 1.5 inches. Models continue to insist there will be a bullseye or two of over 2 inches. It's hard to pinpoint that, always is, whether it be snow or rain, but there is some upside potential to be had there. Melissa finally showing signs of wear down to a category 2. Nothing like what the presentation was yesterday with the eye and the eye wall and all the symmetry. Unfortunately, most of that weakening happened because it went over Jamaica and then over Cuba. So it did a lot of damage, as we all know, as it went over there, and that's going to go out towards Bermuda next, but obviously much weaker. Weekend, again, chilly, breezy. Fall back means our sun sets about 4:30 on Sunday, which has a fan club of its own. Pretty quiet Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with some isolated rain showers, but we're not really getting much warmer. Temperatures hanging around 50 degrees or so. Friday's going to be a weird day because we're going to start with heavy rain. I think the middle of the day will be nice. Then the wind will come back.
Oh no!
It's gonna be a very cool day for Halloween.
You know someone's gonna feel the middle of the day and think they don't need their jacket at night.
Correct.
And then
you'll
get blasted in the wind.
It depends what your costume is, whether or not that's gonna work out for you. You know.
Right. Keith, thank you.